First we had a one chip camera. Our eyes have three cells for three different colors. Similarly, initially what they did was, because the technology was nascent, we had only one. So we had a red color chip, which will then simulate the other colors. Then better camera came, three chip camera like our eyes. So we had red, blue and green, RGB. Okay. Then they thought that okay, we have to have a better vision. So we then started having a high definition. Now we have four times the definition, 4 times the high definition, that is known as 4K camera, which has already been is in the market and we have used, and the next one which is going to come is 8K. So that is also going to come. And another camera that we have is the 3D. 3D means it is giving you the 3-dimensional image. The better the image, the better it is, easier to operate. You will be able to see like your eyes. Your eyes sees in 3D, not in flat. On the monitor, you cannot make out the distance between the structures. Problematic. One of the problems of laparoscopy is there. So to overcome that, the 4K now, 4K also is giving you a depth between two structures, makes it safer. So to go to the higher technology, it is also making it safer for you to operate, safer for you, safer for the patient, easier for you. So the best light source now we should be using is LED. LED, why we use LEDs? Because it has a long life, it is less hot, it is the heating from it is less, and it is very bright. Not as bright as xenon, but xenon can burn the patient. It is so hot. So we are now moving towards better light sources. So LED is the light source which you should be using. Now what? It is a solid rod lens system. Okay, solid rod lens means if we just have air inside the scope, it will not transmit light that easily, because the air does not transmit light that fast, unlike a glass. So it is filled with glass. And what is the lens? Lens is the air in between, and that is important to transmit as much light as possible from the organ to the camera, seeing more magnified imaging. So for that reason we have to have better and better visualization. It has a standard head, and then there is a light transmitting device, its area, this is known as the light connector. Okay, so here our light cable will come, here the camera will be attached. And this telescope, the most common telescope used in the world is 0-degree scope. Next commonest is 30-degree scope, that is known as an anguloscope. The chameleon scope, it can change from 0-degree to 170-degree. It is available with stores. So you just turn nut here and it will change from 0-degree and right up to 170. So you can see the lever. Just we have various sizes in this. The standard size telescope is 10 mm, 10 millimeter. When we say 10 millimeter, and the next common is 5 millimeter. Nowadays we have started using 5 millimeter scopes because they are now transmitting the quality of the scope, quality of our camera has increased to an extent that we don't need 10 mm. 10 mm have their own problems. You have to put a bigger port